Okay buyers, this is a Model 4 or a Model 3 or a Model 3-4 or whatever you want to call it. It's actually an upgraded Model 3 that has been upgraded with a Model 4 motherboard, keyboard, 64K memory. I'll just show it starting up. Runs Model 4 DOSes. Has a serial port. Disk drives have been checked out and everything. So it's a little bit special in that respect. Looks like a Model 3, runs like a Model 4. Also runs other operating systems like CPM, which I'll just demonstrate here. Yep, A drive. Model 4 TRS-80s make very good CPM systems. In case you didn't know, they're extremely reliable. I'll just go around the computer and show that it's not bad condition. So 64K RAM. Nice Model 4 keyboard with white keys. Condition of the machine's pretty good. Got a little bit of engraving here from the school that used to own it in the United States. It's 240 volts because I've converted it to a power supply from Australia. So just plug it in as it is there, that white socket. There it is, in focus now. It's got the Model 3 black and white cathode ray tube in it. If you'd prefer it with a green one, let me know. We can work out a deal where I'll remove the black and white one and put a green tube in it. But yeah, Model 3 microcomputer, upgraded to Model 4 specs, grey cabinet, 64K memory, RS-232 serial port, 2 disk drives, ready to rock and roll with all those old Z80 programs. If you're interested in it, contact me via my website. Thanks for watching.